Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. AI-powered smart glasses and next-gen wearables, future you can wear for years. Wearable technology mostly meant smartwatches and fitness bands. Useful, yes, but limited. Now, in 2025, a massive shift is happening. AI-powered smart glasses and next-gen wearables are redefining how humans interact with technology. And this could be the biggest leap since the smartphone itself. Unlike early smart glasses that failed due to bulky design and limited use cases, today's smart glasses are powered by advanced artificial intelligence. These devices don't just display information, they understand you, respond to your environment, and learn from your behavior. At the core of this revolution is AI assistants built directly into wearable devices. With voice commands alone, users can send messages, capture photos or videos, get navigation directions, summarize notifications, or ask real-time questions without touching a phone. This hands-free experience is what makes smart glasses so powerful. One of the most impressive features is real-time translation. AI smart glasses can listen to a foreign language and instantly display translated subtitles in front of your eyes. For travelers, international students, and business professionals, this removes language barriers completely. It's no longer science fiction. It's real, usable technology. Another breakthrough is context-aware AI. These glasses can recognize objects, landmarks, and even text around you. Imagine walking into a restaurant and instantly seeing menu highlights, calorie information, or reviews. Or looking at a product and getting price comparisons instantly. This kind of contextual intelligence turns the real world into an interactive interface. Beyond glasses, next-gen wearables are expanding rapidly. AI rings track sleep, stress, and heart health with medical-grade precision. AI pendants act like always-on personal assistants, listening to conversations with permission and summarizing meetings or reminders later. Smart earbuds now offer real-time voice enhancement, noise filtering, and language translation, all driven by AI. What makes this wave different from previous tech trends is practical daily value. These devices are not meant to replace smartphones overnight, but to reduce screen dependency. Instead of pulling out your phone dozens of times a day, information comes to you naturally through voice, visuals, or subtle vibrations. From a lifestyle perspective, companies are also focusing heavily on design and fashion. Modern smart glasses look like normal eyewear. Collaborations with fashion brands have made them lighter, stylish, and socially acceptable, something early versions failed to achieve. There are also powerful accessibility benefits. For people with hearing impairments, smart glasses can show live captions during conversations. For visually impaired users, AI can describe surroundings and read text aloud. This makes AI wearables not just innovative, but inclusive. Of course, concerns remain, especially around privacy and data security. Always listening and camera-enabled devices raise questions about surveillance and consent. In response, companies are adding visible recording indicators, on-device AI processing, and stronger user controls to build trust. Looking ahead, experts believe AI wearables will evolve into true personal digital companions. As battery life improves and AI models become more efficient, these devices could replace many phone functions entirely. The long-term vision is simple: technology that blends into your life instead of distracting from it. In conclusion, AI-powered smart glasses and next-gen wearables are not just another gadget trend. They represent a fundamental change in how humans access information, communicate, and interact with the world. The future of technology is no longer in your pocket. It's right in front of your eyes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.